This 5-minute solution will show you how to sign in to Amazon Prime with another account on iPhone. You can easily use multiple accounts in Amazon Prime app. Just follow these easy steps. Open the Amazon Prime Video app. Tap on your profile photo. Tap on Settings. Tap on My Account. Tap on Sign Out. Once you sign out of your current account, now enter here your another account email or phone number, enter password, tap on sign in, and that's how you'll be able to use multiple accounts in Amazon Prime app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.